Hello, today is day 3 of week 20. Our theme is Groundhog this week. Yesterday we learned that Mr. Groundhog gazed at their warm clothes. So let's see what happens today with Mr. Groundhog. Mr. Groundhog turned this way. He turned that way. He sniffed at the air, hoping to detect the scent of a spring flower or fresh green grass. But all he smelled was winter. Suddenly, he noticed something white on the ground. He shivered again. What did Mr. Groundhog look at? So what do you think Mr. Groundhog looked at? I bet you can get a clue from our picture today. So we are going to go ahead and change out to our sentence. So today is 1/27/21, and Mr. Groundhog stared at the cold snow. All right, so what kind of punctuation do I need today? That's right, I need a period. So let's review. So the first day, Mr. Groundhog squinted at the blue sky. Yesterday, Mr. Groundhog gazed at their warm clothes. Today, Mr. Groundhog stared at the cold snow. So, what is our interesting verb today that took the place of looked? That's right, it is stared. What is our adjective today? So, that's right, our adjective is cold. Cold describes snow. That's how the snow feels, so it's describing the snow. So let's get out our crayons. So first of all, we have a red. We are going to underline our subject with the red. Then we are going to underline our predicate with the green. Then we're going to trace our capital letter and our end mark, because all good sentences start with a capital and end with an end mark. And there's my black crayon. I thought somebody took it. Okay, so we're going to divide our sentence with our black. We're going to divide between our subject, which is the who or what of our sentence, and the predicate, which is the doing part of our sentence. And last but not least, I went and found a purple crayon. We are going to use our purple crayon to circle our adjective. Our adjective is a describing word, and it describes our noun in the predicate of the sentence. So, what is our noun? Does anybody know? Yes, our noun is snow. So, just to review, we are going to copy this sentence in our very best handwriting. We are going to anchor our letters on the line we're going to use lowercase letters instead of uppercase letters. And can anybody tell me what this is called? Mr. This is called an abbreviation. MR period is an abbreviation for Mr. And why do we use a capital G on Groundhog? Because it is a proper noun. I think we've gone over everything else. So let's make sure that we code it correctly, and we will see you tomorrow, and we will see what Mr. Groundhog looks at tomorrow and what interesting verb we can use for looked. Did you know there's so many interesting verbs that we can use? We'll see you tomorrow.